to do a lesson on theme, and you're going to make Google Slides and present a lesson to the class on a song. You'll have a selection of songs to choose from, and then you're going to see if they can figure out what the theme of your song is, okay? It says we've been talking about theme and how to find theme in short stories and novels. Your project will be with a partner to pick a song from the list of suggested songs and create a Google slide presentation on the theme of your song. Below is information on how your slides should be organized and how they will be graded. You will be presenting your slides to the class, okay? You will be graded on how you present to the class, and you're going to be graded on how you in the audience do listening and figuring out the theme, okay? So, the first slide will be the title slide. You'll include the name of your song, the singer's name, and the names of each member of your group. Well, there'll be two of them in the group, okay? Slide 2, you're going to type the lyrics to your song, and I'll give you the website for that. Title, slide 3, you're going to list the key words of the song that will help your classmates try to figure out what the theme is. Do you remember how we just did in figuring out what deception meant? We found the words pretend, fake. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing there. And then slide 4 lists the theme of your song and includes some images that represent your song. And there'll be a place to go to look for images. I've given each of you the theme sheet that we used when we did the theme before with the Full House theme and the Lions video. So, Madeline and McKinley are going to present their song today. So I'm going to be grading them using the rubric I gave y'all. And I want y'all to be figuring out on your paper what their theme is before they tell us at the end. We're going to have to give them a few minutes before you show us your theme. Did you put that in a slide, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, you remember what you're going to write on here?
No.
No? Oh, we're going to, what is it? Okay. We're going to write words that they point out to us that help us get to the theme. Okay? So in the different circles on the page, you'll put the words that help you get to the theme, and then we write the theme down here on the trunk. Remember? Okay? Everybody ready? Okay, remember if you've got your rubric. I gave you all, you still have your rubric. It's online, and I gave you a printed copy. So girls, if you're ready, go for it.
Okay. What do y'all think the theme is? Believe in yourself. Okay. Do you think? I don't know. Okay. Thank you. There you go. You can do it. Okay.
Anybody else? Okay, let me put up your slide. Okay.
I can divide it by is to believe in something you can't do.
You believe you can fly. So believe, if you believe it, then you can do it.
Yes. Is that like believe in yourself?
Believe in yourself, then you can do it.
Okay.
Very good. What? Come out to other people. Okay. What do you mean come out about what? Right. Right. Very good. Maddie?
Don't let people get into your way.
Get in your way?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. McKinley?
I said, let it go.
Okay, that was your thing? Okay, yeah. All right. Kevin or Sergio, you have anything else? Okay. All right, let's see what our presenters had. Go Diego.
Oh, the song is to be yourself.
Let it go. Very good, yeah. Don't hide who you are, like Alejandro was saying. You can't keep it inside, it's got to come out sometime, right? Don't be afraid to share your feelings, just let it go. All right, very good.
So we're just going to go over the project, how it went in your class, and how you felt like the kids did. when they did the project. When they did the project, I watched you do the video, you did a really good job of explaining all the steps. I felt like you went over the expectations for the presentation. Obviously you showed them lyric site because they had all the lyrics perfect. They created a title, they shared the project with you so that you could project it there. They all had different themes on theirs, which was good. It looked like their images were good on the project, so they were able to use that site okay.
That's great,
So,
yeah.
okay, good.
Especially Serge, the last group, Sergio, I think it was, and Kevin, they had like a big picture behind each one, it was really
Yeah,
neat.
I noticed that.
Yeah.
Theirs was really good. And so they didn't have any problems inserting
Nope, never
The
asked me
images
for any help.
into the Google Slides, okay? And then it was good, the expectations for the classmates while they were presenting, they were all listening.
Mhm.
They were writing down on their trees
Yeah, they did a good job on their trees.
what their
and that.
keywords were so that they could find the theme.
Mhm.
And then you kept asking them, what do you think the theme is before the presenters would show the theme, so that gives us an opportunity to see if they're actually like getting the
Right,
idea down.
right.
So when we first started the project, we said 80% of the students who were observing the project would be able to find the theme.
Mhm.
So if there's 8 kids in the
Mhm.
class, so 6 were watching, maybe do you think about 5 of them were able to figure out what the theme was based
Definitely,
on
yes,
what
right,
the
yeah,
kids were doing? Because
yes.
I could tell from the videos that, they were all pretty much getting the same idea down. It may not have been word for word, but it was
Exactly. Mhm.
pretty much what the kids put up as their final
Mhm.
theme. Okay, so when you looked at the data, you looked at the trees
Mhm.
to determine if they were able to figure out what the theme was.
Yeah, they did great. I had them each share, most of them, I tried to get them to each share the keywords and then what they thought the theme was.
Okay.
And they did really well, yeah.
And they seemed to enjoy it.
Oh, they definitely did. Yeah, it was a great learning experience. I don't know if they realized how much they learned along the way. They were having so much fun.
Oh, good.
But I think they definitely learned and will remember how to find the theme.
And then were there any problems, like with as far as the Google Slides, that you didn't feel like you could do, or they couldn't do, or we didn't?
Yeah,
Go
they're
over.
so good at it. They just, all I did was, show them the slides of where to go and boom, 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 they just did it.
Okay, so you don't feel like there's anything that we need to do to make any changes, or since the goal was met, do you feel like there was anything that we need to do different next time?
I don't think so. I think it was a great lesson. I think it was a great lesson and the kids had learned from it, and I really think it's great for them I really think it's in their mind now, look for the keywords, to support your theme. I really think it was a helpful lesson.
Okay, all right, thank you.